Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir, madam. I'm Lolita Bailosis, 42 years old, still single. I am residing at Budihan Silang, Cavite. I'm working as 6 years in Hong Kong and all different employer, all is finance contract. My first employer is Mrs. Lai Suklan in Aberdeen Street Central. She has 1 children, 4 years old girl and 2 adult. And then my second employer is in Quarry Bay, Mrs. Mrs. Lam Chan Janti. She has 2 children, 10 years old and 14 years old, and 2 adult. And my third employer is Only Popo, 88 years old, in Kowloon and LaSalle Road. For my future employer, I know how to cook, hardworking, marketing, and care the children. If you choose me as your domestic helper, I promise to finish the 2 years contract and obey the rules on your house, and honest, hardworking, and be cooperate in household work. See you soon in Hong Kong, and thank you.
Okay, 3 times 6 years in Hong Kong, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you think you're a good cook?
I hope so, sir. I know.
How do you know you are a good cook?
Because regarding my experience in my employer,
Okay,
my second employer,
how about a day off in Hong Kong before?
my day off, Sunday.
Always Sunday?
No, my first employer is international because she is a nurse.
Yes, right.
My second is Sunday. Sometimes give me Saturday, and then my popo sometimes Saturday or Sunday.
Okay, if the new employer no Sunday holiday, it's
Oh,
okay
just
for
okay,
you?
sir.
Okay. What kind of family you like to set? The children, the child, or the popo?
It's better the children, sir.
The children. Okay,
Yes.
how can you communicate with the popo?
I communicate with communication, with sign language. I can speak a little Cantonese. I
How?
can speak.
早
I
晨，
少少嘅，
有咧，
多啲
買餸，
買餸啊，marketing 啊，
放假
同卡
，holiday.
all
Okay.
Look
Sometimes
like it.
popo is very talkative, right?
yes.
Okay. In case you are something wrong in the house, grandpa angry with you, what you will do?
Oh, yes, my papa experience regarding that matter. I go to garden and I say, I go to for a while, madam, because I have something to do. And just for a while because I am not yet finished the other work like that. And then later I go back to her and then say pardon. If I have something to wrong, I cannot understand what he say like that. Yes, sir, I do it like that.
Okay.
Go gardening.
Okay. You also know marketing, right?
Yes.
Okay. How do you know the fish is fresh?
If the eyes is blue, no bad smile, like that.
Okay. In case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom call your name and want you to go outside, what you will do?
Oh, I off the fire first. The gas rains. Maybe the house is burning. Yeah, we must be alert.
Okay. How old are you now?
I'm already 42 years old.
42. Still strong?
Yes, sir.
Why you stay in Philippines more than 7 years? For what?
For a little, take a small business of my own.
What kind of business?
Sari store. Canned food,
Uh-huh.
drinks, or food sometimes in the morning.
Uh-huh.
The bread like that, or the menu food.
But now no more.
But now no more. I close
Why close?
because I apply here in Hong Kong.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, sir, madam, I promise to finish the 2 years contract if you choose me as your domestic helper. I am obey, I'm honest, through hardworking, curly children. I know how to cooking. Please trust me and choose me as your domestic helper. See you soon in Hong Kong and thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.